Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Ember in LEGO Fortnite, right? And I'm here to guide you on how to obtain rough Ember, a crucial ingredient for crafting blue tier tool, right? So let's dive in. To kick things off, you will need an uncommon quality pickaxe, specifically the green quality pickaxe to mine Ember. It's the key to unlocking the riches waiting for you in the dry valley. Head to the dry valley biome and desolate desert region. This is where you will find rough Ember, and it's often perched in high, hard to reach places, so you need to struggle and you really need to climb, right? To reach those elevator Ember, deposit safely, build staircases. Crafting a sturdy path will ensure you can ascend to the treasure without any mishaps, right? With your green quality pickaxe in hand, start harvesting the rough Ember. It's a golden nugget you're after, shimmering high above in the dry valley biome. Now let's transform this rough Ember into a cut Ember. Build a you have to build a gem cutting station, but be ready to gather the necessary material: 20 marble slabs, 5 rough Ember, 5 sand claws, and these sand cells, right? And after that, interact with the gem. You can say that gem cutter station to work with your magic. It turns out one rough Ember into a one cut Ember, a vital ingredient for crafting those coveted blue tier tools. Remember, cut Ember isn't just a shiny thing, right? It's your gateway to the crafting blue tier tool, pushing you further along the game progression line. A true Viking journey awaits. So this is it guys, and there you have it. So now you have to obtain the rough Ember and take your crafting skill to the next level. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.